much, Anna. Well, I think my fans should be happy. Hopefully no boos for either me or the weather in the next few days. A good deal of dry, sunny weather across the country. Now, if you were watching yesterday, you may remember I talked about the Great Balancing Act. In other words, when we have high pressure and fine weather over the British Isles, it's often low pressure and unsettled in the Mediterranean. And there's no let-up. That's the way it is at the moment. That's the way it's going to stay. Not much cloud around Britain, you notice, but as we cross the Alps and head down towards the southeastern part, especially into Greece, we pick up a lot of cloud and indeed a lot of heavy rain. Large totals in some of the Greek islands during the course of the last day or so, and that's the way it's going to stay. A lot of cloud across that eastern part of the Mediterranean, heavy rain and thunderstorms from time to time, and pretty cool too. Temperatures there the same, if not lower, than here in the British Isles. Northern parts of Europe won't do too badly in the next day or so, a fair amount of sunshine, and even the western Mediterranean parts of Spain look like turning rather more unsettled as the week goes on. Not much joy perhaps if you're thinking of the Canary Islands, because there too there will be a scattering of showers. But as far as the British Isles is concerned, a lot of fine weather, a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine too. We keep the high pressure with us for the foreseeable future. It does begin to slip a little bit further away, but then there's more high pressure not very far away. At the weekend, a hint perhaps of the things turning a little bit more unsettled, but don't take too much notice of this chart. I think perhaps the computer's had a little bit of a sort of heart attack, as you might say, and overdone things. But one of the other messages to get across is the fact that we are going to have some pretty cold nights. There will be frost coming and going across many parts of the British Isles during the next few nights. A lot of cloud in the southeastern corner of the country, but that's virtually moved away now. A lot of cloud not very far off the northwest. In between, it's virtually clear skies. The cloud in the southeastern part actually has been thickening, and it could well just give the odd lightish shower. In fact, I have a feeling there's a light shower not very far away from eastern Kent at the moment. And the cloud continuing to thicken in the northwest of Scotland, but otherwise no more than just one or two little fluffy bits and a fair amount of sunshine, and reasonably warm for the time of year, 12 degrees or so. That breeze, though, pegging temperatures down along that east coast. And then tonight we keep the high pressure, we keep the settled conditions, one or two mist and fog patches, more wind in the far northwest, bringing along some outbreaks of light rain by then, and a cold night virtually everywhere, certainly some frost in many places, the extreme southeast and the northwest with the breeze, temperatures there holding above freezing. Not much to choose between today and tomorrow. Most places dry, again a good deal of sunshine. That northwestern corner keeping the cloud and one or two spots of rain, as indeed will be the extreme southeast. A little bit of patchy cloud there. And Thursday, it's okay.